Okay, I'm back again. This will be a very quick video. I have two topics I just want to hit on. One, the Supreme Court has announced in the first time in over a decade they are going to listen to a Second Amendment oriented case. This is mainly coming out of New York in regards to concealed carry and whether or not you have to provide a justifiable reason to get a concealed carry permit or a carry permit in general. I'm actually interested in seeing this. This will be a great opportunity to see what the supposed constitutional appointees, what they're really like. So I'm really interested in seeing that. And if you're new to the channel, I'm going to give you some information that the handful who watches my videos would already know. I'm not a huge fan on gun control. My mindset is, now that I've said that and you're screeching out, typing comments, my primary focus is to work on improving society as a whole to where it doesn't matter what you own, who owns what. So yeah. Plus, when you look at concealed carry restrictions, pretty much the only person you're going to really hurt is the legal law-abiding citizen. You're not going to affect the ones most likely to go around shooting people, quite frankly. So I think I would really, really love to see that get thrown out. The other thing is, over the weekend, I saw an article in my local news, and they said, can Derek Chauvin actually appeal his conviction? I'm not going to link the actual article because I haven't revealed where I live yet. Some people probably can guess, but I haven't revealed it, so I'm not going to post that. But I probably could find more national-oriented sites with that same article or heading if I wanted to. I don't want to. To answer the question, can he actually file an appeal? Yes. I know someone who got busted in a he got busted as a kitty diddler by the FBI, and he's able to appeal even though they nailed him to the wall 3 ways from next Sunday. So yes, Derek Chauvin can appeal. He can even probably name Maxine Waters and maybe even Joe Biden for some of their comments they made and said that the threats of violence could have tainted the jury. That is a very real possibility. The question is not if he can actually file an appeal. It's if I can come up with two. Does he have a chance of winning said appeal? And should he actually get his conviction overturned? I think it's possible he could win the appeal if he had competent attorneys. I don't think the attorney that represented him in his trial was competent. And I don't necessarily think it needs to be appealed. From what I've seen, the only of the 3 charges, the only one I would personally want to see be open or receptive to having appealed would be the murder charge. I think that's I don't want to say want, but if I were to want to see one of the 3 charges overturned, it would be the murder. If I was given a choice, that is. I would rather have that than all 3 of them because I do question whether or not he could have cared less about George Floyd. Because when you have people saying, oh, you're killing him, or whatever they were saying, and if you go back and watch the video, it almost looks like he leans in a bit harder. That kind of sticks out in my head. And I don't Anyway, I'm getting off here because I'm starting to ramble. I think I've said all my piece. Let me know what you think. Do you think the Supreme Court will open up concealed carry, or just carry permits in general, or do you think anything will come out of it at all? Also, what are your thoughts on Derek Chauvin? Like I said, he's perfectly fine to appeal all he wants. So I don't know why the news media is asking, or there's anyone asking such a question. Yes, he can appeal. He does have the opportunity to appeal. Anyway, later.